We got this great little fidget toy here. As you can see, it looks like it's made of metal, and it is made of metal. It's this stainless steel right here. I like to spin it like this. As you can tell, it kind of rotates on its own, this little part. You can spin that like this as like a little fidget toy to mess with. You can also spin it around like this. Kind of takes some practice to get used to how you want to spin it, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. You can also spin this little part here. You put your thumbs on. It's got an indentation, so when you put your thumb and index fingers, it's just very comfortable to hold. It's kind of like one of those soothing stones that people use. But if you're contemplating getting this, I would say definitely just go for it and get it.